Hello, it's Trina and welcome back to my channel. I am your bag and frag hag, and today I'm getting back to basics, talking about a couple of my bags that have been in repair for the last month or so. It hasn't taken that long for them to deal with my issue. The problem has been more with me and the fact that their store hours are weird. It's still, you know, that difficult time that we're all going through, and businesses are suffering. Their business is suffering, to be frank. Yeah, so I finally got in touch with her. They're moving shop to a cheaper location so as not to fold. I hope that won't happen because they've been so helpful to me and my bag needs. I had my Vuitton, I'll start with this one. I'll start with my Vuitton Speedy, the Speedy 30 that I dyed. I have a few videos on that. I'll link it below. But yeah, basically the tab, the pull tab had come off and I wanted them to fix it, and long story short, she couldn't do it. And I have this one that this makeshift thing that I made. I'll put a link to the videos associated with this bag below. But it's not gonna get fixed. And I don't know what to do with it, guys. If I bring it to the Louis Vuitton shop, I'm sure they'll be able to take out the whole zipper and bring me something new, but I don't know if I want to put in the time and the money and the effort to have that done, to be quite frank. So I think I'm going to offer this potentially to any of you guys who want to go through that effort, because to be quite frank, I can buy a new one of these and make, not a new one, but I can easily buy a second-hand one and do this whole process again. But if you're living outside Japan, it's a lot more difficult to do that. I love this bag, this particular bag though. Oh. Anyway, if you're interested in buying this bag, what I'll do is you can email me at my baghagdigest@gmail.com. I think it's in my channel description section. I will wait for 2 weeks, and if anybody offers me a price that I'm willing to part with this bag for, then I will start a dialogue with you. So 2 weeks. And no guarantees. Who knows, I might change my mind, but if that's something you're interested in, give me your offer and I will think about it, okay? And I'll ship it to you wherever you're on the world for free. That's why the offer can't be, you know, below a certain number, which I haven't figured out in my head yet, so pending. It's kind of a bidding war. So, and if I don't get any offers, I'm fine too, because I'm not in any desire to sell this bag. I will use it with this, continue to love it, but I do want the original tab to work. Right now it can close, but it can't open without difficulty, so I'm just storing it. And if I do send it, ship it out, I'll probably do the, what is it called, the way that they fold these bags. I'll do that for you now, if I can figure it out. They usually fold them like this, you know. So I'll do a flat pack like that, and you'll get your own bag to fix the way you want to. Love this guy. And yes, it's true, if you buy a new one like this, they don't make it as good as the old ones. This is an old bag though. Again, I'll put the information below. Anyway, so that's my first unfortunate bit of information regarding bag fixes. Oh, and another thing, my battery's dying, hold on. The bag makers have sort of misplaced the pull tab for this, and they said they're gonna look for it and they're gonna send it to me by mail when they find it. I'm sure they'll find it. They're just, it's a bit crazy where they are because they're moving house. They're moving to another location, as I think I mentioned a few minutes ago. Did I? They're moving. So I haven't got this. So if you're interested in buying this, I can't 100% guarantee that it will come with a tab, but it should. I'll let you know. All right, moving on to bag number 2. So finally, actually, you might not know about this, but you hopefully remember this bag if you've been following me. This is a Celine bullet bag, also an old bag from the 80s, very bohemian. It's not heavily branded. I really like that. And this kind of brown leather bohemian style is not usually my cup of tea, but I love this bullet detail. It looks very Western, and it still maintains its like urban chic look. So what I did with this is I had the sides updated. They used to be like a round D-ring, and now they're square. And the reason I had them changed to square rings was so that I could attach this strap to it. This is a Chloe strap, And I had her punch, like leather worker punch, another hole in each side to make the strap longer. And I had the D-ring here so that it wouldn't put, the D-ring, rather the square ring, put in so that it wouldn't be too much strain on the leather piece, you know, because I wanted to keep this permanently here because it does kind of match the vibe of the bag. And I wear mostly black, so, well, not black, there's always a black accent in whatever I wear, so having black with the brown is not a problem. The brown in the Chloe, the brown sort of doesn't match very well, but it's good enough, and this is going to be a permanent situation for this bag, I think. So there you go, that's my update on my Chloe slash Celine bullet bag with the Chloe straps. So this is what I've been wearing actually for the last couple of days. I'm very much enjoying it. Yeah, so that is it for today. No frags, but next week I'll be talking to you about a bag or a frag or more. I mean, obviously, bag and frag hag, so it's going to be one or the other. So we'll see you then. Bag and frag hag signing out. Mwah.